Do I have to rewrite my will or my revocable trust every time I buy something new? My name is Philip Bruce. I'm an estate planning attorney with Stone Arch Law Office here in Minnesota. And my client Claire recently came into some inheritance in the form of jewelry from her mom. And she was worried that she'd have to redo her will to make sure the right people got this jewelry. And I had some good news for her. There's a statute in Minnesota, and what this says is that you have to reference this in the will or the revocable trust. You got to have this reference in there for this to be effective. But assuming the right to do this is in there, you don't even need those items of tangible personal property. That's the key word. Things that do not have titles, not money, not real estate. I'm talking about your stuff, the things in your home, jewelry, artwork, heirlooms, your pots and pans, your furniture, the clothes on your back. All these things are your stuff. And your stuff can be controlled with a written list. You attach it right to your estate plan. You have a will document, you have a revocable trust, you keep this list right with it. All you have to make sure you do is sign it and date it, but you can itemize whoever gets what. Whoever gets what. You say, so-and-so gets my copy of Catcher in the Rye. So-and-so gets Grandma's wedding ring. We got to know who the person is, and we have to know what the item is. We got to be able to identify both sides of that, but assuming it's specific enough, if you've signed and dated the list, it's an enforceable part of your estate plan. And here's the best part. You don't need a notary. You don't need a lawyer. You can do this anytime. If you create this document, the will or the trust document, and then you create a list saying who gets what, and then you inherit something or buy something new. Again, we're talking about something without a title. These are the things in your home. So you inherit some good, dishes, jewelry, etc., whatever it might be from a family member, or you buy some. You can say so-and-so gets this, and then tear it up, do a new list with the new items. Someone makes you mad, you can tear it up and do a new list then, and you don't need a lawyer. And that's where it's kind of nice. You can just do this type of stuff on your own. So my answer to Claire, thankfully, is she did not have to redo her document just because she came into some new possessions. It's different when it comes to real estate. It's different when it comes to money. But this is for tangible personal property. Give our office a call with any questions or shoot us an email.